Hello, this is Ankie from Landpack. Today I will show you the Ketchup Sachet filling solution by this machine. Okay, the first part is our PLC Control System. This is the touch screen. And the second part is the measuring devices, the piston pump measuring devices. And the third part is the bed foaming devices, the bed foam loading devices, and this is the four-side sealing structure devices. Okay, next I will show you the electricity control part. The first part, this is the power cable for connection with the electricity for the whole machine running. And the second power cable is here. This is for controlling the mixing and heating material copper devices. This part. And the third electricity power cable control is here. This is connected with the piston pump. And the air source connection part is here. This tube is to connect with your air compressor to supply the air source to this machine. And this brown tube is to connect with the piston pump. Since the piston pump is fully controlled by the air cylinder. Okay, next I will show you the material copper working control by below this part. The first part is the power switch on or off by this. And the second electricity control is for rotating. Also, it's the mixing screw and the switch button for the mixing devices. This table is for showing the temperature of the heating layer for these two heating pipes to control the heating temperature inside of the water inside layer. And this is the water input port, and this is water clump. You can conclude the water inside situation from this clump. And this is the heating temperature sensor to detect the material copper temperature inside. And this is the water drain output. You can press this handle to drain out the water inside. Okay, next video I will show you how to start operating the vertical foam filling machine. The first step, to switch on the power and go to the control screen interface. And let's enter into the parameter interface. Press the password and open the parameter. You can see the number 1 is for packing 10 grain ketchup bags, and the bag length is 85 millimeters, and the speed is 30 bags per minute. The number 2 is for packing 30 grain ketchup sachet. Also the bag length is 110 millimeters, and the speed also is 30 bags per minute. And the number 3, we want to set up for packing our 50 grams ketchup. The bag length, you can directly press set up the bag length such as 140. That is 140 millimeters. And the speed, we just press 30 bags per minute and save these parameters. And this is the step for touch screen setup. And the second step you will find. This is the vertical sealing temperature control, and this is the horizontal sealing temperature control. The red values is to show our target temperature for sealing, and the green one is the real-time sealing structure temperature. When the green one catch the value same as the red value, that means the machine is ready for sealing the sachets, and you can check out the filling brand is also right for as our demand by this part. This handle is also with the scale for you to refer to adjust the target weight as you demand. You can rotate this handle in clockwise. You can see this part is go to the smaller scale. That means to change the small target weight. When you want to increase the target weight, you can rotate it in unclockwise, such as the 55 millimeters is for packing 30 grams. When you want to packing such as 90 grams, you can set up it on 65 millimeters and go to the touch screen and go to the home page and enter the auto interface and press this auto pack, and the machine will start packing the sachet. Let's learn how to use the ribbon printer and also adjustment the printer. Okay, let's see. This is the power control. The red button is for using to switch the power on or off. You must press the switch on to start the printer working, and the green light is to means the print working conditions. The green light on is means the printer is available to work on printing. And this is the temperature adjustment. You can switch the temperature on the target as you demand. And in January, we set up the temperature is on 550 Celsius degree. And next, as you can see, this is for rendering. Since this print performance is not as good as we want, since we want the printer the day to be printed on the center of the back, so you need to care more this position. This is the printer, and when we want to adjust the print area to be down upward to the back, you can adjust this. This is 4 screws in double size. You can loosening this 4 screws and hold to press and push the printer rack to be upward or in frontward or backward, so that to attach the printer area as we want. And if the printer get more left or right, you can also switch this part. This screws is to control the printer area left side or right side. You can push it in left or in right. Okay, that's the step to use and adjust the printer. Okay, next I will show you how to adjust different back widths on the same machine. Okay, you can see our colleague will show you how to replace the back former. At first, you need to loosening the double side screws. And you can take off the back former. And also this is the smaller back former. Now we want to assemble it on the machine. Next, you need to also fastening the deformer by the screw on double side. And next, you will find the sealing constructor is too wide to the small sachet. So now we need to adjust the four side sealing in double side to shorten the width of this sealing constructor. Also, there is the screws. We must ensure the four sealing bars to be in horizontally aimed at the roping, so that to make the good sealing effect on our sachet. So these four screws on two sides is to adjust the width of the sealing part. Here. And after we will assemble the backformer and adjustment the heating bar position, and we can make a machine to commissioning the Landpack and checking the sachet if the machine work on the right sealing effect. Okay, after we will assemble the Piston backformer on the machine, and we also need to change the roping on the machine. Okay, let our colleague to show you how to replace the new roping on the machine. First, you can open this handle and take it off the roping and wear the new roping on the screw and also fastening it, and then wear the roping in the first part and to run around the printer. And find a scissors to cut a triangle shape that is more convenient to wear the roping into the backformers. Wear the roping along with the backformer strips. There is 3 strips you need to run all through the roping inside. This handle is for loosening the roller, and then you can make the roping to aim at the rollers. And then after the double side roping to catch on the roller, and you can lock the handle to fix the roller to the roping. So, then now this two roller is keep the roping in firmly to run it smoothly. Then that's all the steps to change the roping in the machine. After the backformer will assemble, we need to connect the filling tube into the backformer tube.